Okay, Mir, where are we?
We are traveling the Johnson Canyon Road, which is a beautiful scenic trail here in Kanab, Utah.
A lot of geologic formations.
Oh yeah, just stunning.
Part of the Escalante staircase region that basically just formation is the various different rock and sediment formations throughout this whole region. And it's the staircase because over time, the various different striations have been exposed through the weather. And so then you get the staircase effect. And I'm sure most everybody knows that already, but that was new to me. But you can witness that here, just in the color changes.
Right.
But each one of those then are a different type of rock, type of sediment, type of sand.
Yeah.
And you can just see it, on this Johnson Canyon Road. We started out at a lower elevation, and as we drove through, we increased the elevation. So what we saw at first was the bottom segments of the rock formations and the coloring, and it was just just really beautiful up till where we got to the top, and it was mostly white rock. I don't know the exact.
They call it the White Mountains.
The White Mountains, yeah.
But it is, everywhere you look, it doesn't matter. Your head has to go 360 because it's just so different. And what we saw coming up the road is actually a little different than what we're seeing coming down because it's a different viewpoint, from that. And if you're in this area, definitely do this drive. It's a beautiful drive. It's a beautiful day here. It's in the mid-70s, so it's nice and cool, and we're just having a beautiful trip here. It's delightful.
Yep. So we thought we'd share some of it with you. Enjoy.